How to chat with Meta AI in WhatsApp group chats. So if you want to chat with Meta AI in WhatsApp group chats, then what you need to do is first you need to check if Meta AI is available or not in your region. First things first, Meta AI is currently only available in selected countries and supports 5 languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Hindi. So if you don't see the option to use it in your group chat, it might not be available in your area. But don't worry, it's rolling out gradually, so it might be available after some time. Now if it's available, then you just need simply open up your WhatsApp, and after that go with your group chat where you want to use Meta AI. This can be any group you're part of, your friends, family, or even work groups. Just make sure everyone's okay with having a little AI action in the chat. Now after that, you need to mention Meta AI in the chat. So you just need simply go with the type box and type @ in the message field followed by Meta AI. You'll see a Meta AI pop up in the click or in the list. You just need simply click it and then type your question. For example, you could ask @Meta AI, what's a good recipe for a quick dinner? Or if you're in a group planning for the trip, then you can again go with the chat and then enter @Meta AI, what's the weather forecast for the weekend? And after that, the Meta AI will answer you with your questions. So accept the terms and send your message. If it's your first time using Meta AI, you'll be prompted to read and accept the terms of service. Just go ahead and click accept and you'll be ready to chat. Once you've typed your question, you need to hit the send and Meta AI will respond right there in the group chat. Everyone in the group can see the conversation, so it's great for collaborative discussion. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.